This is the first opening that we have, which is someone is looking for a cybersecurity trainer. So guys, if you only have knowledge, if you don't have experience, then you can do, because this is for freshers, right? Bachelor degree in computer is required, and like if you have done BTech in computer science, you can do. CEH, if you have, sorry, then it's good to go. This is work from home. This is mail ID on which you can apply, send your resume, right? And SCGen is the company name. Guys, this is a very good opportunity. If you have really knowledge, right, you can opt for the cybersecurity trainings. Sorry, my health is not well. So someone is hiring SOC analyst, intern, right, who can apply, final year student, graduate, those who want to switch the career, anyone who is interested in cybersecurity. It's an online internship, SOC, hands-on, job ready, and all those things, right? So what you can do, you can just send a resume on this mail ID. In case if you're not getting response, you can just ask this number, right, if you have any question, because whenever you see any number in any of the video, right, then it's like a plus point for you. If you're not getting response, you can message them, right? Now next opening is in Hackett is hiring for red teamer. This is from where you can see what exactly they want web network endpoints, person those who have experience in all those things, and Metasploit, Bob, Nessus, and Kali knowledge would be there. 1 to 4 years of experience required, and it's a Delhi based job, right? This is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Meanwhile, you can zoom out this QR code and you can send details on here, right? Now next one is someone is hiring for SOC role. Okay, so it's a L1 junior SOC engineer. Second thing is SOC engineer, SOC team manager. So the other positions. So this is mail ID on which you can drop your resume. It's a Sutherland. Bhai, where is Sutherland? I have heard Switzerland. What is Sutherland? Just let me know comment box if any one of you knows what exactly they are looking for and why Sutherland. Why you need to work in Sutherland. So just let me know. This is the reason why you should work there, right? But next one is there is urgent hiring in Jaipur. It's for the network engineer. Company is Telscom. 2 to 3 years of experience is required. It's up to 10 LP they can pay you. They want you to hire a very quickly, right? Communication skills should be very good, right? This is mail ID abraham.giver@gmail.com, which you can drop your mail, right? And this is Gmail, guys. So I always recommend you to cross check, right? Now next opening is red teaming in Delhi. Company name is Hackett. I've already shared, so this is the same, right? You can pause and see. That's all for today, guys. If you have any questions, please ask in chat box. That's what. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Jai Hind.